deportation?
Yes.
1 minute to finish.
My heavens, what do you think when you think of that happening?
I'm not afraid, but I have to be concerned about it. So I have to keep on fighting for my parents and some TPS recipients.
Can I ask, how many of you children, show of hands, how many of you children have parents facing deportation back to Haiti? Show of hands.
Okay.
Most hands went up.
You want to finish? You want to finish?
I'm going to finish.
Okay.
And President Trump, I know you're not a bad person. A lot of people like to say you're a bad person, but I know you're not. Because in your election, you once said that you wanted to make America great again. But the only way to make America great again is by letting my people stay. And my people are Haitians, Salvadorans, Hondurans, and Nicaraguans, and so on so far. But